Hey guys, welcome back to Minute Hustle. My name is Jaden Toretto for those who don't know me, and you know what? I have been away for a long time. I know, well, a couple of months. It ain't long, a couple of months. I've been so caught up with projects. But you know, I've been checking my Minute Hustle and I've been seeing some great comments. Thank you guys for all the lovely comments you're leaving. And when I left, I was on 40 subscribers. That's not a lot, but it's a lot to me. And I left, and I've just been so caught up with projects, and then I've come back today and looked, and I've seen 135. So seriously, guys, I want to give a shout out to everybody that has subscribed to me so far. I haven't disappeared. As you can see, I've got a lot of content up already. But no, I haven't disappeared. I've just been so busy with other projects. But I'm gonna be bringing you so much more stuff. I can't even get my words out. Gonna be bringing you so much more stuff, and I just wanted to give you a shout out real quick. And I'm actually giving away it's called a 100 subscriber giveaway. I know I'm 130 in, 135. Wow, where did you guys come from? But stay around, stick around. I'm gonna be giving all of you my brand new ebook, which is all about hustling. Man, you ain't gonna find this anywhere else. The tips in this book is amazing. You're gonna see stuff that no one has seen, things that people don't even think of. I'm talking about real hustle tips and tricks. I mean, I've got my little dark hustles in there. I don't always recommend people on the dark hustles, but you know what? It'll give you a little insight to my brain and show you how I think and how people can make money in the most peculiar ways. This is what Minute Hustle is all about, you know, teaching people how to make money online and offline, and obviously just, you know, bringing in an income instead of working a 9 to 5, as I keep saying. So thank you all for subscribing, who's already subscribed, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. Click the like button as well. This is what my Minute Hustle book looks like, the ebook. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. All of you guys who are already subscribed now, click it and download it. Get it. It's only going to be up there for like, what, 11 days? So the link is going to be available for 11 days. So if you are a subscriber, make sure you grab it. You ain't going to want to miss out on it because it's a hot ebook and no one else has got it so far. I'm not planning to release it till next year. So you guys are going to be the first to have it, okay? And I call it the Hustler's Code. Oh my God, doesn't it look good? Don't it look good? You look good, huh? I know you like my African accent when I do this as well, you know. I will do it for you, I don't care. Alright then guys, so I'm gone. I'm going to be dropping another video soon for you guys with more hustle tips. Oh man, my videos are coming on hard and they're looking good. But yeah, stay tuned for some more great stuff. Cheers.